Wanna go to the gym but you don't know what to start?
Are you already going? You wanna get better?
In this video I share with you my best 31 beginner tips on what to do before to start, what to do in the gym and after at home also, to keep and don't lose your progress. I'm Kryssi and I help you to get your life better with my productive videos and my motivational videos. So let's go! The first tip is ask to yourself why you wanna start. More confident, for fun, change your body. Have clear ideas on what are your motivations. It will be more helpful remember why you started it, especially when you will feel that you wanna give up all. Tip 2, ask to yourself if you will go to the gym even alone. It's so important because a lot of people go to the gym for company. Of course there's nothing bad on it, but if you want to improve yourself and your body, start to go even alone or you will give up soon. The nearest, the best gym equipment, or into Anchor's garage. Choose a gym that respects your preferences, like budget, personal decision of course, and choose the best gym for you will make the difference in the future. So spend some time on it, think about it. Have a workout plan will not give you serious problems with your health, because do exercise by yourself will make hurt your body and muscles so bad. Because once that you are inside the gym you need to know which exercise to do. Maybe even create a plan with the help of internet, or maybe a specialist for it will be better of course. Do a gym tour before to start. Know the places of equipment, or the bathroom, the locker room and the reception. All these things will help your performance. Choose comfortable clothes will help your movements. Choose something sporty, but also something that give you high self-esteem, like your favorite t-shirt, your favorite pants, or maybe basket cap. When you dress you need to feel yourself so high self-esteem. You love your body more and more. Choose the best shoes is a big mistake that the beginners do. You don't need the real Michael Jordan's shoes, but just a couple of Vans, Nike, Adidas. No elegant, no classic, be always sporty, but with style. If you love listening to music like me, choose your right headphones. The big one, the small, the Bluetooth, or the jack. The JBL 500 or the AirPods are the most common into the gym. And even me, I use AirPods, but I will change them in JBL 500 because in my idea they are more rock style. A basket cap will make you like more serious and a person that already knows what to do, like a pro or veteran of the gym. You will look incredibly different person, especially with big headphones like a JBL 2. But please, choose a basket cap, not them. There are different types of t-shirts in the gym, but you can choose everything you want without a lot of limitation. But I avoid polos and shirts and opt something large or synthetic. If it looks like more bigger, I recommend you the tank tops. I have only them in my gym wardrobe, so try them and let me know in the comments what you prefer. Pants or shorts, jeans or training suit. Avoid jeans always, especially with the leg day. They are uncomfortable. Are you crazy? Opt for jumpsuits, cargo pants or shorts. Personally, I prefer the cargo pants because the shorts makes me look more fat than shorts. But it's just my view and my taste of course. You can choose everything you want. What's on your bag? You wanna listen to music or you wanna have a shower there? Get ready your bag with only things that you need. In my case, I have a lot of days where I go there with the keys, phone, wallet and just a towel. Of course, when I wanna have shower, I things for body and hair of course. But please, just remember the towel. Yes, because the tip is this, have a towel always with you. Imagine use an equipment with all the weight on it left by the person before you. Disgusting, huh? To not be like that person, remember always your towel, especially with famous coronavirus. Gloves? Why big man and bodybuilder has always gloves? They will make me look more serious. Some people don't care so much about hands. Personally, I don't wear them because my hands are not so broken, so I don't have this problem. But of course, if you want, you can wear them. Just a little bit here and here, but not so much. Be slow, baby! You are not racing with US and Bolt, right? You are in the gym to get muscle. If you are doing fast, you will not get progresses. You are just dance up and down in this way. Focus on the movement, focus on the pain, feel the muscle, and you will be the rock in just 1 month. Cool down, bro. Yes, the time between a rep and another one. Don't have a short one or too long. Usually 30 seconds or minutes are enough. It depends how pounds or kilograms you are lifting. Respect your break. Muscle needs rest. Don't think that to be better you need 3 or 4 hours per day. 1 hour per day is perfect and enough. Of course, if in that time you will do a good workout. In fact, my favorite phrase is better 1 hour than 24 doing nothing. With just 1 hour, you will have more focus on what to do. Hey Chris, can I drink water? Yes, of course, you can. If you search on internet, you can have pro and cons of drinking water before, during and after workout. But personally, I never listen to them, just because it's not so important. I mean, it's just my habit if I don't drink water in gym. So you can drink where you want. Non ti preoccupare. No problem, mon ami. Doing shower after workout is really comfortable and relaxing for your body and for your mind. Especially with the hot water, of course. Or if you wanna feel amazing, use the cold water. But there's a con. Shower into the gym are not hygienic. Because the shower of your house, of course, will be more cleaner. So really, think about it. Okay, you choose to have a shower in the gym. Because even me, sometimes I have it. That's no problem. But now the question is naked or with a swimsuit. I started with the underpants for my shyness. But I decided to take it off because I wanted to fight with this feeling. Being naked made me feel more free and with high self-esteem. It made me really grow faster and today I'm less shy in every part of my life. It was really a big decision for myself, but now I'm really glad that I did it. Okay, now you finish your workout. You are at home and you wanna take care about you, of course. Eat healthily. You will receive more energies by healthy foods than junk food like croissant or chocolate. Think to bring with you a snack bar or a fruit into your bag at gym. You eat it after workout, of course. Track your kilocalories. It's not a tip for everyone because it maybe became dangerous and obsessional. For me, it's really helpful this, and it helps me to be more constant on eating good. But be really careful with this. It could become a serious problem in the future. If you have goals like skinny or lose weight, eat less junk food. After the workout, your muscle is broken. To refill it, you need to eat good foods like proteins or even carbohydrates. But of course, you can eat one junk food per day. It will not bad. Sometimes we should have a rest by our goals, like 1 day off from your diet. The next tip is drinking more water. Drinking more water cleans your body, healthy for mind health and body, and a lot of benefits. Drink 2 or 3 liters per day or more for a good performance. Sometimes you don't have angry, but your body needs just water. You can also choose to bring a bottle of water during workout, as we told before. It's not bad, as we told earlier. All these last tips can make you obsessed and may give you more problems. They are tips, in fact. For me, they are good, but maybe for you not. For this, the next tip is that I recommend you to go to specialists. A specialist like personal trainer or dietitian. They motivate you more. You will be better faster than doing by yourself. Think that it's an investment on yourself, on your health and on your goals. Almost at the end, you need patience. You can't achieve things in a day, especially if they are really big dreams. But you can work on it. Start today, be patient, and you will get your progresses. Never give up. And the next tip is constancy. Be constant, because this is the second key to achieve everything you want in your life. You have a really big motivation to achieve it. Remember that you have big motivations to go ahead on your road. Remember why you are working on it. Patience, constancy, and enjoy. Yes, because you need also this feeling, and if you don't have it, you will give up soon. Gym is not a punishment. You feel good when you go there. So enjoy when you're lifting a lot of pounds or kilograms, and enjoy when you're focused on movements. And that's all, guys. There are my 31 tips that I learned in my experience with the gym. Let me know in the comments which one is helpful for you, and when you will start the gym in 2023. Or maybe even now. Let's go!